Good evening to all my awesome friends and family. We are starting a new series on short videos, 1 minute or less. And this is the first in the series. There is going to be quite a few going up here in the very near future. Hope you enjoy this post. This is my candy station, as you can see, sitting on my dining room table with my nutcrackers out here guarding them and my beautiful Christmas trees and sweet, sweet candy. Are they not looking gorgeous? Well, I hope you enjoyed this post. This is 1 minute or less. Kisses and hugs, and it's all over.